Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make a reusable cotton pad which you can use to remove your makeup. So for that you'll need a natural yarn, and I'm using 100% cotton yarn for this video, and this is an organic cotton yarn. And you'll need a hook. I'm using a 3mm hook for this video. Now I will suggest you to use any natural organic yarn so that it is safe for the face. So to begin with, we'll make a slip knot. And if you don't know how to make a slip knot, I have a beginner friendly series which you can go and watch. And then we'll chain 4. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now we're going to insert a hook in the very first chain. So we'll insert a hook in that first chain, we'll yarn over, pull through that first chain and also pull through our fourth chain. So we'll make a slip stitch here. Now we'll get this very tiny ring in which we are going to work our stitches. Now we'll chain 3. So this chain 3 is going to be counted as our first double crochet, and we are going to make 12 more double crochets in that tiny ring. Okay, so we'll yarn over, insert a hook in that tiny ring over there, and we'll yarn over, pull through that ring. We'll have 3 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is going to be our second double crochet, and we'll have a total of 13 double crochets including that chain 3. So we'll yarn over and pull through the ring, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'll just fast forward this part for you and see you at the end of this row. So here we are making our last double crochet. Now let's just count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have a total of 13 double crochets now, including that chain 3. Now we are going to insert a hook in the third chain of that chain 3, and we are going to make a slip stitch here. So this is how it should look like. Now we are going to make a chain 3 again. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So this will be our first double crochet, and now we are going to make 2 double crochets in each gap between the double crochets. So this is our first double crochet, and we are going to make a second one in the same gap over there. So this is our second double crochet, and now we'll make 2 more double crochets in the next gap. So in the next gap between the double crochets, so we're going to make this 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. So this is how we increase. So this is how you make a flat circle. Otherwise, if you just make 1 double crochet in each gap, then your circle might start bending or curling up. So in our second row, we'll have a total of 26 double crochets. So in the first row we had 13, and now in the second row we'll have a total of 26 double crochets. I'll just fast forward this part for you and I'll see you at the end of this row. So we all know this thing that most of the single-use cotton pads that we use these days are non-biodegradable, which means that they are virtually non-destructible. So this is a environmental friendly alternative to the single-use cotton pads. They don't have to be thrown out, which is why there is a lot less wastage, and also it is eco-friendly. So we are at the end of this row. We're going to make 2 double crochets in that last gap as well, and now we are going to insert a hook in that chain 3, like the third chain of that chain 3, and we're going to make a slip stitch here. So this is our second row complete, and it should somewhat look like this. Now we are going to make the third and the last row. For that we'll chain 3 again, and this chain 3 will also be counted as our first double crochet. And now we are going to make another double crochet in that same gap over there. So we'll make a second double crochet in that same gap, and now we'll just make 1 double crochet in the next gap. So what we are going to do is here that we are going to make 2 double crochets in alternate gaps and only 1 double crochet in the rest. So this will help to keep our circle flat. So our first row was 13 double crochets, our second row is 26 double crochets, and our third row will be a total of 39 double crochets. So this is going to be our last row, and you can actually make it as big as you want or as small as you want. It really depends upon your requirement and the thread or the fabric that you're using. But I really prefer it to be of this size though. we are going to insert a hook in that chain 3, like the third chain of that chain 3, and we are going to make a slip stitch here. So this is how your cotton pad should look like once complete. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!